Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson Prissy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to increase your likes on TikTok. Maybe you're not having enough likes that you want. In this video, I'm going to be actually showing you guys how to increase your likes to any amount you want. So if this is your first time of seeing this channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's quickly dive into this video. All you need to do is to go to any browser. On your browser here, all you need to do is to look up followersavem.com. So once you click on followersavem.com, you click on TikTok services. So on TikTok services, you are going to be seeing TikTok followers, TikTok likes. I'm going to be clicking on TikTok likes. Yeah, on TikTok, like it's going to be something like 100 likes, $1, 500 likes, $2.50. So all I need to do here is to click on the amount of likes you want. But the only thing you need to do on this is that you're going to be paying in dollar for any of the likes you want. For instance, you want 100 likes, you're going to be paying $1 for it. So guys, let me just show you guys how to do it. Click on buy now. After buy now, you click on video link. You're going to copy the link of any of your video and full name, phone number and email, then click on buy now as well. So guys, this is how to increase your likes on TikTok. So if you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. See you guys in my next video. Bye.